Right. I think I got everything.
Please hope you do, because I need me to wait for him. I don't want to make a feast. You don't have to always. I got somewhere and take forever to go somewhere. And I right up the road where I go and I live far away.
It don't matter.
Imagine, man, because we can't just do the same thing over and over, man. If you say we are go somewhere, it's 10 things you have forgot to go back in the house.
Anyways,
like, you never can ready it.
Where can I go at to get some seafood? I really
Mr. and Mrs. Crab, babe? What?
Mr. and Mrs. Crab.
Oh, okay. Seafood, the same one?
Yeah, but how far is that from you?
I want to go on there.
What?
When we can scratch yourself,
I want to scratch myself. I was just scratching my leg. But I really want, like, seafood. Like, I have a taste
just said Mr. and Mrs.
seafood.
Crab, babe. Me just said that.
Okay, so we can go to Mr. and Mrs. Crab.
Then that answer, man?
Yeah. So.
And then what? Still I forgot Walmart, you know?
That's fine. We can go.
So we're going to go before or after?
We could go before.
What happened to you? Make you scratch yourself, sir?
What? I'm just scratching my leg. Dang. You had attitude today?
So make you scratch yourself. What happened?
Nothing.
You don't be here just now?
I did.
So what happened? The panty I eat you?
No.
The tights I eat you?
No.
So what eat you?
Are you ready? Because I'm ready to go eat.
Yeah, but we can't go eat if you scratch up yourself.
Why?
So we're going to go in a restaurant with you scratch yourself on the table?
Okay, that's not their business.
You know, if it be their business, if it my business, I mean, y'all go out.
Why you making a big deal about it? Like, I'm just scratching my
There you scratch yourself.
So what you want me to do then? Like,
I tell the man, you cannot scratch yourself and touch me same time.
Why?
And you tell me say I do nothing.
So I can't touch you no more?
What do you that me keep on asking, but you're not explaining?
So I can't touch you. Okay, cool. Bet. Like, you acting like I can't touch you or something. Like, you acting like I'm alert.
Watch you.
What?
Lice catch you?
Lies?
Mm-hmm.
Black people don't catch lies, dude.
How you can feel some more black people don't catch lice? Lice much because if you scratch yourself, so.
Okay. That's fine.
Let's go. I'll make sure it's how I know each rest.
I'm just saying. Because you doing like a whole bunch.
Are you there? So scratch yourself straight. Fuck wrong with you, man? You just scratch yourself, so like something wrong with you. Something wrong with you?
I don't know why it's my body. Like, if I wanted to scratch it, should be able to scratch it.
Me not say you can't scratch it, babe. You know, I'm a bum buckler reverse.
Where you going?
Me don't know where I'm going. Something wrong with you. So go check out yourself in the bathroom. Go and check out yourself in this bathroom. Go check out yourself in the bathroom before we left. Something wrong. Me don't know where I'm going.
Did you really just reverse this car all the way back?
What do you mean? Go check out yourself. Come.